Yeah, there you go. That's your nice pay. Kiwi. Kiwi for dessert for Liam.
Mommy,
Frozen kiwi.
He's like, don't touch it. Mommy,
Yeah.
what is our letters? Yeah. What's Aura?
Dude, you look so cute. You look. Richard is not ready for tenepo, so Richard is ready to eat. I can make kana apple.
Now say food what I like. Mommy?
Yeah, that is what you like. Yes.
Say.
So, do you guys want kana apple?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, enough. Let me go and get it.
Yes.
No, you look like a bully like that. Eh? Mm-hmm. Again and again. Mm-hmm.
Mommy, you
Mm-hmm. Now, take it
Tic-tac-toe.
away.
Scared.
Da.
Oh, he's waving the knife.
Yeah, I know. Clean up, Richard. Need to clean up your mouth.
I am knocking on the door.
It won't work.
Door. I'm knocking on the door.
Done.
Look at inside.
Mommy,
Now, here down. Here down.
Mommy, are you sorry?
Actually, not like that. You're going Is that not where I've cut already?
No. No.
Mine.
Be careful.
Twice.
Boop, 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 boop.
No, it's to open it. No. Start the meter. Then you have to break it. Richard, stop. You have
Break it.
That is our
9. Ada, stop. You have to. Yes. Don't scatter it.
Did it.
You did it. Delicious. Oh yeah, Heavenly, you want it? It's here.
I don't think I want it. Because I just
What did you say?
want to eat it because I just served it.
Oh, me too.
My family?
Shad, you were not expecting that more from me, were you? Please, I'm gonna need one of it. Put a bunch here. Thank you. Heaven, it's ready.
You
Oh, yeah.
say that
Heavenly, you and
also.
it's already stained. Heavenly, the cover is already stained. Shad is to wash. Heavenly, you and Richard here. Aria, come to me. You and I. Liam, come. Let me put some here. Toilet, okay. I only want to put some here.
Mommy, but there are seeds inside.
You eat it and swallow it.
The deer cannot eat the butter.
Whoa. Guys,
Now we put it to his head. Yes. To his hair. Hey, don't put it to my cloth though.
I need to fill it up.
In.
Mother is touching your tummy.
Oh my gosh. Shad, do you see your son? Shad, is in here. I've refilled up.
Dan lemmer till tåg. Och dan lemmer tatt till jag. Och den börjar lite lemmer tatt in till tis. We. Där vill man till tun.
You're wasting it, Ashi.
I don't want to
Why is
plant.
that on the table?
Plant what?
Right. Bad right.
Did I hear bad light?
Wait.
Evan, it's not to plant. You're wasting it. I should stop with the planting thing.
Black guys. But I'm not eating them. Mommy,
Mm?
you need to have happy. Happy.
The way she pick it from, ow, Liam, pass out. The way you pick it from me, like, give it to me. Give it to me right now.
Give me, give me, give me. Give me now.
He's seriously enjoying it. Richard, be careful.
Nein, brauche ich nicht mehr. Nicht mehr. Oder wie mein Teller aussieht.
Liam, how am I going to wash all those clothes? Look at Liam. Huh? You need to soak this clothes right away. If not, it's broken and it's broken. Look at him.
Look at him.
I wish I know. I could have not given
weiß
this.
nicht, was wir
I could have pulled all his clothes before I gave it to him.
Why you not show it to mommy?
Keine Ahnung.
Daddy.
All of you, thank you for eating. It's time to pack.